The outflow here just north of Ocean Park got sanded in. It's got sand almost up the top of the floodgate. So we're down here digging it out. Parker's actually digging his way up to it. When he breaks this thing open, the water should just come pouring out. She's just about ready to break it loose here. You can see there's a lot of pressure built up against the back of the culvert. It's boiling out the top of it, so when he breaks it open, the door should open up and there's a floodgate there, and what happens is sand closes to the floodgate and then it can't open up and it just lets a trickle of water out. Just about there. This sand is heavy. See the water coming off of it. This culvert goes under the sand dunes and it's buried. It goes back there probably 1,200–1,400 feet, and it drains the whole, would be the Z Street Basin, Pacific Pines. It drains a pretty big area. Just about ready to cave in. You can see the water starting to boil out of there. Some of the pressure is being released from the floodgate. You can see the amount of water coming out of there is just about double because the pressure is getting off that floodgate. As more water comes out of that floodgate, it moves more sand, which gives it more room to move out. It's just really building up behind it. See what he's doing? He got a gate there and he's just digging in front of it, letting the sand work down into the hole. It's all starting to cave in over there. That gate's, once it gets enough sand away from the front of that gate, it'll kick open and the sand will really start boiling out. He's not getting real close to the floodgate because you could hit it and break it off. Just about ready to open that thing up. And you just see the top of the floodgate right now. It's just started to show. It's a round floodgate. There she opened right there. There she opened. There's a lot of pressure against that one. Look at the water rolling down there now. There's probably a mile's worth of water backed up against that floodgate. Washed out there now. She's got spread out towards she's gonna spread out down towards the beach now. This will drain like this until the tide comes in. Problem right this time of year is the tide will come in and completely cover this whole floodgate up. Boiling down there. She's really boiling down the beach approach now. That floodgate probably weighs, it's aluminum, it probably weighs 60, 65 pounds, and there's enough water coming out it's holding it up almost perpendicular to the ditch. There's a lot of water backed up there. You see how it spread down the beach. Is that it?
Think that's putting out some water?
It's putting, look at that floodgate, it's almost level.
Is
that good?
The water was 3 inches over the top of the drain over there.
No kidding. Are you gonna do any more digging down there, or are y'all done?
That's done. I might as well stop at the tide line. It's gonna get filled in.
Yeah. You load her up?
Yeah.
He's all done. We're gonna load her up. Look how that big hole is washed out there. "5 minutes ago there wasn't a bit of water out here. Now she's flooding out like crazy."